Welcome back, nature enthusiasts. Today we embark on an awe-inspiring journey deep into the heart of the Amazon rainforest, a natural marvel teeming with life and beauty. Join us as we unveil the secrets of this incredible ecosystem and learn about its vital importance for our planet's health. Stretching over 5.5 million square kilometers, the Amazon rainforest is often referred to as the lungs of the Earth. This vast region spans 9 countries in South America and plays a critical role in regulating our planet's climate. The Amazon rainforest is estimated to produce 20 of the world's oxygen. Just imagine the scale of this incredible ecosystem. The Amazon boasts unparalleled biodiversity, home to an estimated 40,000 plant species, 3,000 freshwater fish species, and over 400 mammal species. And let's not forget about the astonishing 1,300 bird species that grace the forest's canopy.
The Amazon rainforest is a sanctuary for an astonishing array of wildlife, from the magnificent jaguars prowling through the undergrowth to the playful river dolphins gliding through the winding waterways. Each creature plays a vital role in maintaining the delicate balance of this intricate web of life. Now let's talk about the astounding plant life within the Amazon rainforest. It's a true treasure trove of botanical wonders. The rainforest is known for its towering trees, including the iconic Brazil nut and the majestic mahogany. But did you know that beneath the canopy, there is a vibrant world of smaller plants, such as orchids and bromeliads, competing for sunlight and nutrients? Within the Amazon, indigenous communities have long relied on the forest for their livelihoods. Their deep connection with nature is a testament to the symbiotic relationship between humans and the rainforest. These communities possess extensive knowledge of medicinal plants, which has contributed to modern medicine. I had the privilege of speaking with members of the local community here, and their wisdom and respect for the rainforest were truly inspiring. They understand the need for sustainable practices to protect this invaluable resource for future generations. Sadly, the Amazon rainforest is facing significant challenges. Deforestation, driven by various factors, including agriculture, mining, and illegal logging, poses a grave threat to this fragile ecosystem. The loss of trees diminishes biodiversity and disrupts the natural carbon cycle, contributing to climate change. Well, that concludes our immersive journey through the captivating Amazon rainforest. I hope this glimpse into its wonders has ignited a sense of awe and appreciation for this invaluable ecosystem. Remember, together we can make a positive impact and ensure a brighter future for our planet. Thank you for joining us on this virtual adventure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to spread the word about the importance of protecting the Amazon rainforest. Until next time, keep exploring and cherishing the beauty of our natural world.